What is up, guys? It's Chase here with another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube videos not playing on Chrome. So first things first, let's go ahead and open up Chrome and head on over to YouTube. Now if you're finding that for some reason these are not playing in the player, it's probably because you have stored cookies and a cache that are interrupting playback. So here's what we need to do. So in our Chrome browser, we're going to go to the very top right and we're going to select these three little dots. And we're going to go to our settings. And underneath settings, we're going to go to privacy and security. And we're going to clear our browsing data. Browsing data is not the important one here. It's the history, cookies, cache, and more. So Chrome will store some images and data in here that may be corrupting your ability to play back. So the safest and easiest way to get rid of anything that may be wrong with your Windows player on Chrome for YouTube is to just select all time to clear all the browsing data. I'm going to keep my browsing data here. But the other site data, including cached images and files, see, look, there's 322 megabytes. So I'm actually just going to clear this for the last hour, but you should select all time. So let's go ahead and clear the data and I'll show you what that looks like. Great. So Chrome is finished clearing all the cached cookies and data. So let's go ahead and go back to YouTube. And this should be good to go. We can click a video here.
400.
It's playing just fine. And that is how you... Now, if for some reason this did not work in fixing your videos, the other issue that you can try to solve is to make sure that your drivers are up to date. So I'm going to go down here in my search window and I'm going to type Device Manager. And let's select this. Now here's the device manager. Now to make sure that my display adapters are up to date, I'm going to go ahead and select this little arrow here. And this is my graphics card. Now video playback is rendered by your graphics card. So let's go ahead and right click this. This is my graphics card. And let's make sure that my drivers are up to date. So I'll select Update Driver. And because I'm connected to the internet, and this is a popular graphics card, I'm going to allow Windows to search automatically for the best drivers. It looks like I already have the best drivers installed, and that is good to go. So that is how you fix YouTube not working on Chrome.